Ever struggled with campfire cooking? It's a common hurdle for outdoor enthusiasts, but don't worry, we have some clever campfire cooking hacks that will transform your outdoor cooking game. Picture this, you're in the great outdoors surrounded by nature's beauty, and the aroma of your dinner drifts through the air from your campfire. It's not just any meal, but a feast cooked with the help of a few ingenious tricks. First on our list is foil packet meals. This simple technique can revolutionize your campfire cooking. All you have to do is wrap your chosen ingredients in foil, seal it up, and place it directly on the hot coals. It's as simple as that. This method is not only efficient, but it also locks in flavor, enhancing your culinary delights. Next up, we have skewer kebabs. A classic favorite, skewer kebabs are a fun and engaging way to prepare your meal. Simply thread your chosen meats, vegetables, and even fruits onto the skewers and grill them over the fire. It's a creative process that allows you to mix and match flavors according to your preference. Thirdly, a cast iron Dutch oven is a must-have tool for campfire cooking. Its versatility is unparalleled. Whether you want to bake bread, make a hearty stew, or roast some meat, a Dutch oven has got you covered. Just place it on the coals, rotate it periodically, and let it work its magic. Now let's talk about a few additional hacks that can make your campfire cooking experience even better. 1. Consider packing your spices in small reusable containers like Tic Tac boxes. It saves space and keeps your spices organized. 2. Dry your dishes in mesh bags hung from trees. It's a space-saving, environmentally friendly solution. 3. Keep bugs away by covering your bowls and plates with shower caps. 4. Treat yourself to delicious campfire cones filled with marshmallows, chocolate, and fruit. Just wrap them in foil and heat them over the fire. And lastly, prepare your meals at home, freeze them, and use them as ice until it's time to eat. You can do the same with cleaned half-gallon milk jugs filled with water. And before we wrap up, let's not forget the nostalgic joy of campfire popcorn. All you need is a long-handled popper and some popcorn kernels. Shake it over the fire until you hear the pops, and voila, you have a crunchy, delightful snack. Master these campfire cooking hacks and you are well on your way to becoming an outdoor cuisine connoisseur. So pack up your gear, head out into the great outdoors, and embrace the culinary adventure that awaits. Happy camping!